In this video, I'm going to explain Rust programming language in just 99 seconds. Rust is a modern system programming language that is designed to be safe, concurrent, and fast. One of the key features of Rust is its memory safety. Rust ensures that your code is free of null pointers, buffer overflows, and other memory-related bugs. This is achieved through the use of ownership, borrowing, and lifetimes. Let's dive deeper into the language and explore its syntax and features. In Rust, you declare variables using the let keyword. For example, you can declare a variable called x and assign it the value 42 like this. Rust is a statically typed language, which means that the type of a variable is determined at compile time. If you don't specify the type of a variable, Rust will infer it based on the value you assign to it. Functions are declared using the fn keyword. For example, you can declare a function called add that takes two arguments and returns their sum like this. In this example, i32 is the type of the arguments and the return value. Rust supports many other types, including bool, char, float, and arrays. Rust has several conditional statements, including if, else, and else. For example, you can use an if statement to check if a variable is greater than 0 like this. Rust also has several loop constructs, including loop, while, and for. For example, you can use a for loop to iterate over the elements of an array like this. In this example, 0.r.len is a range that generates the indices of the array. Rust also supports other powerful features, such as closures, pattern matching, and error handling. These features make Rust a very expressive and flexible language. I hope this intro has piqued your interest in Rust. And if you want to learn more, be sure to check out some of the other great resources available online. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.